Hi, I'm Sherry Paxson, Dean of the School of Health Sciences at San Juan College. We're proud to offer a wide range of healthcare programs that open doors and change lives. Our programs are designed to help you with the skills, support, and experience you need to succeed. With expert training, supportive faculty, and state-of-the-art facilities, there's so much to discover. Let's take a closer look.
San Juan College offers hands-on, high-demand programs that prepare you for a rewarding career in healthcare.
Instructors are really good. Mike Charles, he's really good at teaching EMT basic course. The equipment that this program has, EMS utilizes nowadays, it's nitty-gritty. You get to see hands-on, and then you also get to get hands-on to stabilize the patient as well too.
Our experienced faculty will train you to stay calm under pressure and act when it matters most.
Specifically surgical tech. If you want to be that silent hero and be a part of changing somebody's life, this is like the greatest thing ever. You work with an amazing team behind closed doors and you get to be a difference in so many people's lives.
Our students are learning how to help others move, heal, and live fuller lives.
When I was introduced to the occupational therapy program, that's what I was told, that it help them recover in ways that are meaningful to them and not just repetitive movements.
Great communication with people who work here, and then now being in the program, finding that the teachers are always available. They have office hours, they're here even on days when they don't work and provide a lot of extra support.
We don't just teach healthcare, we're shaping the future of patient care.
It's very rewarding. I would tell them to absolutely take that leap, to not be afraid. It's going to be a little challenging, it's going to be a journey, but it's well worth it.
At San Juan College, our healthcare programs do more than prepare you for a career. They empower you to make a difference. With expert guidance, real-world experience, and a community that believes in your potential, you'll be ready to lead with purpose and compassion. We're honored to walk this journey with you every step of the way.
Healthcare careers begin here at San Juan College.